Look who we got surprised this morning. When you're running a business and you're being successful, the haterade just starts getting served. People just start getting hurt. They start getting envious, and they want to do anything they can to try to stop you, hinder you, or prevent you from continuing to succeed. And this is the result thereof. So, look at it as a half glass full, that, you know what? I am on the right track. I am helping a lot of people, and the haters just don't like it, and they're gonna do whatever they can to try to stop it. But you know us, right? We haven't let anybody stop us with something like this, or even worse. We're not gonna stop helping those that need it and continuing to do what we do and be successful. So keep your heads up, and don't worry if this happens to you.